Oh yeah, another day. Oh, the light's fading now. It's getting quite dark. I've actually got a mooring sorted out now, but we'll talk about that later. A pontoon mooring, where we'll be going. Storm is on its way in at the moment. It's quite dark. I've just got the light there. Exposed wires still, yeah. I'll do a video updating that once it's all sorted. What I've done today is put this little fuse panel in, or switch panel. It's actually fused. Starting to go a little bit safe. Pump the floor out. Got the floor off. Got the floorboards up. Pump the rest of it out. I'm just cleaning the floor at the moment. Doing little bits here and there. When I come down, that little light there, not wired in at the moment because I've got everything fused. She's getting there. She's getting there. So if we could have a look, yeah, I'm gonna have a cup of tea in a second. Just getting, I've got rather cold from being out here today, but yeah, I've still got a little motorbike battery which is down there. I will be getting a much larger battery, a leisure battery soon. At the moment I've still got my 5-watt solar panel. I've ordered a 50-watt solar panel to go with it. I'm slowly going to build the system. Also at the moment I'm regulated on my 5-watt panel, but I've got a 30 amp solar regulator. Ordered it. I'm trying to make it turn up. Yeah, have a cup of tea. Another day in paradise. The storm's in. It's quite windy, nice and bright. You can see my my first switch panel with the solar panel, and I totally made the battery flat yesterday with the bilge pump. Today I say flat 50% because you can never go. I'm at 13.2 with the solar panel at the moment. Obviously that's going to drop when I put the cabin light on. Which is quite good. Turn the cabin light back off. It's gone back up to 13.2, which is relative. I mean, I've moved the battery now to the under the seating area there, just there for safety, obviously, because it's lead, a flooded lead acid battery, and so my phone's very active today. I've just been sorting wiring out, and I'm going to be putting more resin on the roof. Will be. Oh, I can't wait to get away from this place and go to the marina, which hopefully won't be too long. I've got the money for that, and my dad's thankfully paying for the removal of the boat. He's paying for it to be moved around to the marina. I'm just paying for the marina, and obviously he's lending me the money, so I have to pay him back next month. Yeah, it's quite nice around here. It's just the people. Whoa, oh, that's the light from the phone. I don't know why the light's on, but hey, I have to turn that off. Very windy out there today. But yeah, I've got the cabin light now on. Switch. The wiring will be sorted today. The one down the bottom isn't wired up yet. These all come on even though there's nothing connected to them. The only thing that's connected is the cabin light. Bilge pump will be next, and that'll be my mobile phone charger, and that will most likely be my laptop, and I'm going to get a few more switch panels. I'm still waiting for my solar regulator to come in, because my panel I've only got on there is only 5 watts. I haven't as of yet put the regulator in, or required a regulator, because I find there's no need to. There is a diode built into it to stop reverse charging. It's very windy, so you're not going to be able to hear me when I go outside, but I will show you the panel very quickly. This is my 5-watt panel. It's an amorphous. I've got a monocrystalline on the way, the 50-watt panel to go with that, and that will be a start to my system. Out the wind, yeah. There's still a lot to do, loads to do. I mean, there was a huge hole here. We'll sealed up, fiberglass, and the same the other side. Oh, very windy, very windy. Still winter, I can't wait for spring. It's the worst weather we've ever had here in the UK. It's by far the worst winter I've ever had in my lifetime. So yeah, keep viewing, keep subscribing, message me and I'll answer any questions. Alternatively, if you've got any feedback what I'm doing, just go ahead and drop a comment.